Hello children, today's quote. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. With this beautiful quote, today I am going to start my first chapter of Mathematics 2, that is Basic Concepts in Geometry. What is geometry? The word geometry is derived from the Greek words geo means earth and metron means measuring. Therefore, the word geometry means measurement of earth. Point, line and plane are some basic concepts in geometry. Point, line and plane are some basic concepts in geometry. Now point. Point is an undefined term in geometry. We say point is a dot made by a sharp pencil on a paper. It is represented with the help of a single capital alphabet. The point A is shown as point A. The point A is shown as point A. Point is not a figure in geometry. It just shows the position. Point does not have length, breadth and height. Next is line. Line is an undefined term in geometry. We say line is a set of points which can be extended in both directions infinitely and indicated by arrowheads. We can name the line in two ways: by using names of any two distinct points on a line. For example, line AB, line PQ, line XY, etc. Or by using small alphabet, example, line L. Next is plane. Plane is an undefined term in geometry. We say plane is a flat surface which extends infinitely in all directions. We can name a plane in two ways: by using names of any three non-collinear points in a plane. For example, plane PQR. Or by using a single capital letter, example, plane E. Next, coordinates of points and distance. Coordinates of points and distance. This is your number line. Okay, on this number line, A, B, C, O, D, E. These are all points. And -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. These are all coordinates. Means for point O, coordinate is 0. For point C, coordinate is -2. For point B, coordinate is -3. For point A, coordinate is -5. For point D, coordinate is 1. And for point E, coordinate is 3. So, we can find out distance between any two points on a number line. You can find distance between any two points on a number line. Distance between two distinct points can be calculated by subtracting smaller coordinate from the bigger coordinate. Distance between two distinct points can be calculated by subtracting smaller coordinate from the bigger coordinate. For example, if the coordinate of A is -5 and that of D is 1, find distance AD. So what is given here? Coordinate of point A is -5. Coordinate of A is -5. Next, coordinate of D is 1. Coordinate of D is 1. Now compare which coordinate is bigger and which one is smaller. Here 1 is greater than -5. Positive numbers are greater than negative numbers. So 1 is greater than -5. Now how will you find out? Distance AD equals greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Use this formula: greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So here greater coordinate is 1. So 1, then use operation minus, then use smaller coordinate minus 5. So 1 minus of minus 5. But minus minus means plus. So 1 plus 5 equal to 6. So distance AD is 6 units. Next, betweenness. If P, Q, R are three distinct collinear points, there are three possibilities. If P, Q, R are three distinct collinear points, there are three possibilities. First one, point Q is between P and R. Point Q is between P and R. Next possibility is point R is between P and Q. R is between P and Q. Third possibility, point P is between R and Q. P is between R and Q. Okay. If Q is between P and R means distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. Distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. And if R is between P and Q, then distance PR plus distance RQ is equal to distance PQ. And if P is between R and Q, then distance RP plus distance PQ is equal to distance RQ. So, if distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR, then it is said that point Q is between P and R. If distance PQ plus distance QR equal to distance PR, then it is said that point Q is between P and R. The betweenness is shown as P dash Q dash R. Here betweenness means P dash Q dash R, and here P dash R dash Q means R is between P and Q, and here R dash P dash Q means P is between R and Q.